Frittata, the most versatile dish ever. Perfect for fresh farmers market summer vegetables, perfect for getting rid of leftover meat and potatoes. Just bake them into a big omelette pie and have breakfast for dinner. I always start with a cooked potato. You can steam, boil, or microwave until soft, or use leftover baked potatoes. If you're having eggs for a meal, you can want some potatoes with it. Fry chopped potato pieces in some olive oil until the edges are lightly browned. Toss in the summer squash. And add some sweet hot pepper. Keep the heat on medium-high for the vegetables to pick up some color. Now add in the chopped shallot and 2 cloves of crushed garlic, or to taste. Mince them if you don't like large chunk of garlic. Fry until fragrant. Salt and pepper to taste. Now prep your egg mixture. I'm using 4 large eggs for a 9-inch pan. Whisk up the eggs and add a 1/4 cup of milk or heavy cream for a richer taste. Grate some cheese of your choice, like whatever's seasonal at Trader Joe's or whatever's in your fridge that you need to use up soon. Cheddar, Gouda, Feta. If it rhymes with frittata, it's probably good. In goes the egg and milk mixture. Give it a stir so it heats up quick and evenly. Top with grated cheese, and into the oven it goes. Bake or broil for about 10 minutes, or until set. And here we go. Run your spatula around the pan to release the whole thing. This is kind of like a lazy man's quiche, when you couldn't be bothered to make a crust, and then discovered you didn't really need a crust after all. The omelette should be silky smooth, the squash barely cooked through, the mild heat from the pepper gives it just the right amount of kick, and the hearty potatoes makes it filling enough for a meal. I really hope you give these a try. Like and subscribe!